Drive mechanics test. Real hard drive noises. Yeah, I miss the way hard drives used to crunch when they were doing something. At least you knew it was trying back then. Data transfer will be disappointing. 200 kilobytes per second. 476 kilobytes per second. That's fantastic, that is. Yeah, your serial ATA 3 can't keep up with that. Video tests, none of those are that great. Our video card information, apparently it's colour. Video text memory. That's kind of fun, actually. That's a little bit trippy. It runs very slowly. It's like something a virus might do. In fact, wasn't there one that did that? It was kind of awesome. Video graphics memory. Yes, now you see we may be in trouble. That is quite possibly... I might cut this bit out. This program actually has a low-level format utility. I've never played with it and don't intend to right now, because this disc has only been formatted once, which is when it left the factory. Yeah, so by now you're probably laughing about my little computer here. What, you don't think it's up to the task? Maybe. Well, I beg to differ, you see, because it runs Crysis. It runs a proper version of Crysis, not that naff version you've all been playing. It plays the Leet version of Crysis, which is better. You've got to be Leet to play this version, and you're not Leet enough. So maybe I can't show it to you, because it would just overwhelm you, and like, you know, you couldn't handle it. Or maybe I'll give you a quick peek. Yeah, we're in the Crysis directory right now, as a matter of fact. And bin a game for DOS, you type go, and it goes. Or maybe it stops. Yeah, you see, I told you. Oh. Maybe that isn't the result I was looking for. Your computer is not Leet enough to play this game. Pwned bitch. Ah. Yeah, maybe I'll just cut out it not working, and then maybe like blue screen like Crysis on there. Forget it. Let's play some proper games. The system also came with Windows 3.10, which is one of my favourite versions of Windows, probably because it's what I started out on. Ah. Yeah, yes, now we might not have a sound card, but there is a very clever driver available. Unfortunately, I cannot remember where I got it from, although I still have a copy. And all the shortcuts are absolutely ruined. To be honest, this thing probably does need reformatting at some point, but it's still working. I just need to fix a couple of INI files to get rid of that blue screen. Basically, Wave plays through the PC speaker. See if I can find a Wave file to do that with. But first of all, I shall play a game. Actually, the system came with some cool games. Which, when the mouse works, I don't need a mouse, forget the mouse. Yes, when the system came, it came with basically Atari Arcade, an old version of it. Yeah, Asteroids, which is lame, Battlezone, which has terrible hit detection compared to the Atari and runs like crap. Centipede, which runs like crap. Missile Command, which I can't play for whatever reason. Tempest, which is still kind of fun, but probably did run better on the Atari. I'm not vastly amused by this, because my mouse is broken. Let's see what else we've got. Windows. Best of Entertainment. Ski Free. Oh, not Ski Free. Golf. Jezball needs a mouse, but it's a very good game. You may recognise the concept of it. 2 balls bounce around, and basically you fill up an area until the game is satisfied, and without the balls touching the line whilst it is being created. It's actually very fun and addicting when the mouse works, and it just doesn't on this machine, unfortunately. Tetraverx, Tetris, Tri-Peaks, which are mostly card games, Dr. Blackjack, Free Cell, Pipe Dream, that's awesome, Rodent's Revenge, Tut's Tomb, Chip's Challenge, and a Japanese word, or some Eastern word. My mum used to play this game on it a lot. Give me an excuse not to do my homework, so I never really complain about it. Yeah, you just match things up. Not my kind of game. Not enough action. Chip's Challenge, that was always a good dream. A good game. But I've not played it for quite some time, which really shows, I would expect. Pipe Dream. Make some pipes. It's for Microsoft Windows by LucasArts Entertainment Company. It's always a good start. Perhaps. Well, it's all on timer, and you know, I honestly can't really remember much about how it was done. Ah, yes, I remember it had to be to a required length, and it's not going to be long enough, and I'm going to fail. Right, that should do. Should be enough. I win. Click for next level. Now, if you don't know what this is already, then you obviously don't know me or DOS games very well. This is Commander Keen, the way it was meant to be played. It's the 4th episode. Secret of the Oracle. EGA, VGA graphics supported. PC speaker only, and very little memory, and I used to have a joystick. But that was the 90s, and I miss those times. This is how I got started on Commander Keen. It's the first game I ever played on this. I played Duke Nukem 3D on my dad's Pentium computer, which I ended up with eventually after this. Pulling the effect off fine. And the load time isn't that bad, actually. It's... Wow, the game just glitched. I've never seen that before. I'm pretty certain that platform's not supposed to disappear. Actually, I can just screw it up like that. Because of this system, I actually find myself quite often playing with the PC speaker turned on for this game, opposed to playing with the Sound Blaster on other computers. But of course the important thing is that on this computer I have the high scores. And nobody else does. Yeah. Well, I can tolerate that. Game over. I wasn't really concentrating anyway. I already got the high score. Who cares? Oh. What? No! Alright, so this isn't really what I had planned, and probably hasn't been vastly interesting to anyone else. But that was a look at my first computer, which I'll always have a soft spot for despite its shortcomings, because it's brilliant in my opinion, even if it is slow and doesn't really do a lot. I think everybody feels the same way about their first machine. It's... I don't know. I like it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing, because I am now over 100 subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. You know, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy any other videos I make. Hopefully I'll get the one I had planned done soon. If not, then I'll have to think of something else, and you never heard of it, if anyone asks. Yeah, that ought to solve it. I'm high treason. Whatever.
You're pissing me off.